As a health worker, you are always collecting data to record immunization efforts, cases of vaccine-preventable disease, and adverse events. This data is essential to any immunization program, but only if it is reported, analyzed, and used for action. One of the most important steps in this process is the monthly summary report. A monthly summary report is a consolidation of all the immunization monitoring and surveillance data you collect during the month. In this video, we will review how to complete each section of a monthly summary report. To begin, write the name of your health facility and district, the month, and the year. Then, write the number of sessions you planned for the month, how many were actually held, and the infant population in your catchment area. Next, report your immunization program monitoring data, or the total number of vaccinations administered over the month. This includes vaccinations for infants, children, girls, and women. Record one line for each session, including the date, place, and time of session, fixed or outreach. Then, identify the number of doses for each vaccine given by age group. You can find this data in your vaccine tally sheets. For example, this tally sheet from an April 12th session shows 20 infants received pentavalent 1. You would start a new line for this session on your monthly summary report. Once you write the date and place of this session, record the number of infants who received pentavalent 1. When you finish recording vaccinations for the month, total the number of doses for each vaccine administered. You should also report the number of cases of any vaccine-preventable diseases that are under surveillance. Provide the monthly total for each disease, as well as the number by age, sex, and vaccination status, and any deaths. You will find this information in the vaccine-preventable disease tally sheet and line list. If there are no cases of a disease during the reporting period, write the number 0 under total. This is called zero reporting and is important since it shows there were no cases rather than an error in data collection. Now, report the number of any serious or non-serious adverse events. You will find this information in your AEFI reports. If there were no adverse events, write 0. Never leave an empty box. Then, total the number of cases. Next, report on stock levels. For each vaccine and type of supply used in your facility, record the start balance or the number at the beginning of the month, the number received during the month, and the end balance or the number at the end of the month. You can find this information in your facility's monthly stock report or in the stock records for each type of vaccine or safe injection supply. It is useful to monitor these patterns regularly to improve supply and avoid stockouts. Record any other notable activities that occurred during the reporting period, such as supervisory visits, stockouts, or cold chain failure. Your national policy may request further information such as sex of immunized and disease cases, vaccine wastage rates, vaccine coverage rates, or temperature data. Finally, you are ready to submit the monthly report. Keep all the original data monitoring forms and charts in your records. Follow these steps to make sure your summary is complete, timely, and accurate every month.